Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create an automatic discount in Shopify, specifically setting up a free shipping event for your customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a promotion that works its magic automatically, encouraging shoppers to buy more and making your store even more attractive. Let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is basically the command center for your online store, where you control everything from products to promotions. If you're not sure, you can get there by logging in at shopify.com and choosing your store from the dashboard. I know sometimes it takes a moment to get oriented among all the options, but don't worry. Once you're in, it gets much easier. Next, you'll want to click on Discounts in the left-hand sidebar. This section is dedicated to any deals or promotions you want to offer your customers, and it lays out all of your active and past discounts in one neat list. Think of it as your deals control panel. From here, look for the Create Discount button, usually at the top right. Go ahead and click that. Shopify will now ask you what kind of discount you'd like to create. Since we're setting up free shipping as an incentive, choose the option that says Free Shipping. This is a popular tactic among online stores, since shipping fees are a common reason shoppers abandon their carts. By offering free shipping, especially as an automatic reward, you're helping your customers get over that final hurdle and complete their purchase. Now, under Method, make sure you select Automatic Discount. This step is crucial. Automatic discounts work behind the scenes, so your customers don't have to enter any code or remember to click anything. Shopify applies the discount as soon as the conditions are met, making the entire shopping experience seamless and stress-free for them. It's kind of like placing a gentle sign on the checkout page that says, "Hey, you qualified for free shipping, enjoy." Let's give your discount a title. For example, you could type in 14 days free shipping event. Giving your discount a clear and enticing name helps you keep track of your campaigns, and it lets customers see exactly what the promotion is when it pops up at checkout. You can customize this title depending on whether it's a seasonal event, a limited time offer, or something ongoing. After that, specify the country or countries where you want the discount to apply. For instance, if you're hosting this promotion just for shoppers in the Philippines, select Philippines. This ensures you're targeting your intended audience and not accidentally offering free shipping somewhere you don't ship, which could create confusion later on. Now, let's add a minimum purchase requirement. In this example, enter 2,000 PHP as the minimum amount the customer needs to spend to qualify for free shipping. Setting a threshold like this helps you protect your margins and encourages shoppers to fill their carts just a bit more. If a customer is hovering around 1 to 800 PHP, seeing that free shipping unlocks at 2,000 can be just the nudge they need to add another item. Once you've double-checked all your settings and you're happy with how it looks, hit Save. Sometimes saving can take a moment as Shopify processes your new discount, so don't worry if the page hangs for a second. And that's it. You've just set up an automatic free shipping discount in Shopify. Now your customers will see this offer at checkout, helping you boost sales and keep shoppers smiling. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you've got any questions or if there's another Shopify topic you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.